On a magical rainy morning in a colorful little village, a curious baby stepped outside to play. But today was special. Ooh! Quiet thumping. Yay! Look at the bunny go. Run faster. Hee hee hee. I'm coming to get you. Not if I run really fast. Follow me. Look at the bunny go. Uh-oh. Look, a rainbow! Hooray! You are my best friend.